To my Africa, welcome to the Azanian podcast. I'm your host, Zimkita Khodolo. He is a former sitting head of state, and former heads of state, as you know, receive full maintenance and security from its governments around the world. This is part of what Nkandla party member Phumlani Kobukeli stated to the Minister of Public Works and Infrastructure, which is the department that ensures the maintenance and ensures full protection for former heads of states in our country. He stated that the president's or the former president's private residence has completely deteriorated significantly due to the irregular maintenance from its department. Of course, Minister Dean McPherson vehemently denying all this, saying that the president does receive full protection. The president's security is upgraded and maintained at all times, and it's fully motivated by the South African Police Service regularly. Citing that private areas of his residence, such as amphitheaters, chicken kraals, visitors areas, swimming pools and such, are not at the expense of the state. Citing this, of course, motivated by the 2014 report released by the Public Protector's Office, citing that the state had already spent over 246 million rand on irregular spending, meaning that it spent that much money on even features that it was not supposed to have spent on when it comes to the former president's private residence. This has received mixed reactions from our citizens, citing that no matter if you are on different political spectrums, but former President Jacob Zuma is a former sitting head of state, and such should be provided for a former head of state, that his private residence, his security should be at the expense of the state because he is a former sitting head of state. And some saying that a lot has already been spent and a lot still is spent, and he is receiving what he should be receiving as a former sitting head of state. Why should it continue to be at the expense of the taxpayers? So we want also here at the Azanian podcast your reactions to the Nkandla party asking or requesting that former President Jacob Zuma's residence be maintained and upgraded such, and that his private residence has significantly deteriorated as a former head of state. Keep us updated, and we'll keep you also updated. Ma Africa is late.